Ladies and gentlemen, as we all know, AI technologies are driving profound transformations across software-enabled systems, influencing how such systems are developed, deployed, and utilized. Now, these changes necessitate significant adaptation in SQA practices, particularly in the domain of software testing. Rather than responding reactively to the impact of AI, there is an imperative for professionals in the SQA and software testing to engage proactively with these emerging technologies. Now, the forthcoming conference will emphasize approaches through which practitioners can integrate AI into their work to enhance assurance practices. Join us in charting the next frontier of SQA. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome once again to SOFTECAsia 2025 AI-driven SQA Revolution.
Today, there's mass adoption of artificial intelligence. I bet all of you are using it. As a personal productivity tool for software testers today, AI, generative AI is phenomenal.
The need for SQA and software testing professionals to master AI technologies relevant to their practices have become more crucial. The speed of these changes is nothing less than revolutionary.
The first thing, AI is complex systems. If we as human beings don't understand that complexity, we are not really likely to have trust in them.
Get ready.
There's a lot of things that AI can do actually, but all is actually with your guidance.
The power of it is that we can leverage AI to help us as humans to complement what AI can do for us.
And use AI to augment, not replace human judgment, especially in things like policy and strategy.
I'm hoping that here AI can help me with testing and reduce the load of regression maintenance tests.
They're not going to replace us on QA, so maybe we become more informed.
AI model is learning, but we are actually learning together with them as well. And with this learning, I think we will know how to better use it, and the leverage that automation can give us in testing is so much more.
By far the greatest danger of artificial intelligence is that people conclude too early that they understand it.